Hello everyone, my name is Rashna and today I'm going to present a C++ lab where we work with static libraries. In this lab we will think the static library it's libpidutil.a into our program and demonstrate how to use its functions to manage a process. We will be using functions like get all paths, get name by path, get path by name, and get error message. So first we need to enter to the lab2 folder. Here you can see I have uploaded lab2.cpp, libpidutil.a and makefile and pidutil.h. So I have one header file, one a file and one cpp file and one makefile. So now I'm going to lab2.cpp. So here you can see that I used for the listing of all paths I used get all paths function, list all the running process IDs and their associated process names with get all paths function. And here you can see get the name of the process with pid1 by calling get name by pid. Find the PID of process name lab2 using get name by PID. Lastly, test error handling by searching for a non-existent process named lab22 and using get error message to display an error message. So this is my C++ and I'm going to show you the outputs now. I'm gonna run my lab2 folder. So now you can see the first call get all paths, which will list all running paths and their process names and gives me a quick overview of all process on the system. Next I set the path to 1 and call get name by path 1 to fetch the name and the system process associated with the path. When I run the program, I get the expected output with the name of the system process for PID1. Here you can see. Then I search for PID of the process lab2 by calling get PID by name lab2. This function should return the PID of the lab2 process. In this case where there is no process name lab22, the function will fail and I handle this error by calling get error message to display an error. So you can see here already this message came out unable to find the PID for lab22. So in conclusion, I successfully linked the static library library pidutil.a into my C++ program and demonstrated how to call various functions to retrieve process information and handle errors. This lab provides a solid introduction to static libraries and process management in C++. Thank you for watching and feel free to reach out with any questions.